channel. And this table cover is a running table, guys. I'm running on this table cover. And this is a running mat for you guys. Guys, like up the video, share the video, subscribe to the video, guys. And this is another one. And this is how I make up these, guys. And I leave one for you, because I take a lot of time. So I leave out this one here. I gotta close here and go right around, guys. And close it off. And guys, this is how I do the table cover. I stitch here, fold it, guys. And then I turn it back over, guys, to the other part here, guys. And I leave this side here, guys, to sew. Make you see what I did. I leave this side to sew. Make I show you what I did, guys. And I'm going to the machine now, guys, to finish it up. And thank you, guys, for watching.